Most of us do not like repetitive tasks. I certainly know that I do not like them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use HubSpot workflows to automate these repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in. So when we go to automation workflows, we get a list of all of our workflows, and the first thing we need to do is create a workflow. So let's create one from scratch. In this case, we're going to create a contact-based workflow, and we're going to start with a blank one. Now, to quickly explain, a workflow is basically just a set of tasks that are executed as you are setting it up right here. The important thing is you want a specific goal for each workflow that you set up, like what is it that you want to achieve? For this example, let's take something simple. As soon as somebody is added in HubSpot in our system, and this can be either added manually or they can be added because they filled out a form. For any of these contacts, after 1 day, we want to send them a welcome email, or let's make it 1 hour, that's even better. So here we're going to click on the first part, which is where we select the trigger. So right here we will say when an event occurs, and then this event will be object created. So this means when our contact is actually created, and we do not want people to re-enroll in this one. So we'll save this, and we can see, okay, this is when a contact actually gets created. Then the next step, we want to add a delay, and we want the delay to be, there's also some new options here, I think. So we want it to be a set amount of time, and we want to delay it for 1 hour. So after the contact is created, we will wait for 1 hour, and then we go on to the next task. In this case, we want to send an email to the contact, a welcome email. So we create another step, we go to communication, send email, and we're going to send the welcome email. We will see a preview here. This is just a template that I used here. Save this email, and this email will now be sent 1 hour after this contact has been created. We always want to give this a great name as well. I always like to add external or internal first to know if the workflow is externally faced. And then we want to name this send welcome email after contact is created, so that we actually know what this is about. Now, we do have some settings here, so we can say, do we want these actions to execute at any time or at specific times? So if, for example, you only want to send these emails Monday through Friday between 9 and 5, you can actually set this up right here. Also, you can add dates at which these actions are paused. So if you don't want to send your emails on a certain date, you can add these dates here, and you can even select to have these annually. Then for unenrollment, we can choose to remove people from other workflows if they are enrolled in this one. Usually you do not need any of these. When two contacts are merged, the newly created contact should probably not enroll because usually they already enrolled when they first became a contact. And then you can also add a suppression list if there's any contacts you want to exclude from this workflow. Now for this specific workflow, we do not need our goals, but let's say we have a workflow, we have a couple of emails that we will send in a sequence of like 5 emails, and our goal is for people to watch our product demo. And we do have a property in HubSpot that shows us when people actually watch the demo. Then that demo would be our goal here, and as soon as somebody hits that goal, they will not receive the other emails in this workflow, and the workflow would just be finished at that point. So then we just say review and publish. Here you can always say add existing contacts. In this case, we do not want that because then everyone would get this welcome email even if they were created a long time ago. And we'll just turn this workflow on, and from now on, any contact that is created in our system will receive our welcome email after 1 hour, which makes that Sally does not need to send these emails manually again every time that a new contact gets created in our CRM system. You're welcome, Sally. If you like this video, you will probably also enjoy watching this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.